All right, so you're working in Photoshop, and let's say, you're sitting here and you're painting, I'm doing something, and uh-oh, you know what? I didn't mean to do that, and I did multiple of it, and I don't like how it looks, so I can't simply undo. How do we get rid of it? All right, so there are a few ways to undo, get rid of history. So the first way, you can always do a Control Z or an undo, but you can only undo once or twice in Adobe Photoshop. So the next thing that we can do is something called step backwards. We can continue to step backwards. I'm going to step forward because I want to show you the other thing. So we can step backwards, and that'll keep getting rid of it. We can also look at our history. We get to our history by going to Window, History. And this is really what I like to do because this shows me every single thing that I've done, and I can simply select the point in time that I want to get to. And I can simply close it and work from there. So this is my preferred method. I like the history. You can undo and you can do step backwards. I prefer history. It's going to be up to you what you really like, but those are three methods to get rid of something that you've accidentally done.